This is RC Video Productions, and we're going to be talking more about some 2025 video marketing statistics. All right, AI. Everybody's talking about AI, and if you're paying attention, you're looking at two sides of things happening right now. There's AI that creates still images, and there's AI that creates video. And some of it is pretty impressive. I've played around with some of it myself. Not really happy with some of the results. You know, I had a video I wanted to create, and the free AI, it's pretty limited, even though it has some great capabilities. And you know, it starts to get people like myself and others in the creative industry worried about, you know, is AI going to replace us? Well, let's take a look at a very, very interesting statistic. And this comes to us from Wise Owl. They do some great polls and great statistics. Okay, so 75% of marketers had used AI to create or edit videos in 2024. This has dropped significantly to 51% for 2025. So let's talk about why that might be. So cost is one thing. A lot of times with these AI websites that offer either AI processing right within the web browser or software that you download, they give you free trials. And so you start using it. And that could account for a high percentage of people using that in 2024. But then your trial expires and they want money. So you're looking at that going, yeah, I'm not going to pay that, because it's a subscription. It's not a one-time thing like paying for Photoshop or well, Photoshop subscription based now too, but paying for something that is software that lives on your computer. You know, everybody wants a subscription. And if you're already paying for a subscription for everything else, you really can't compete with something such as DaVinci Resolve, which you can do incredible work with a free video application that you can download for nothing. And then the AI is going to charge you money. So that could be one thing. The other thing is AI text prompts. Having played with this myself, AI text prompt is a thing that it's a learning process. Each AI is different, kind of learning yourself how that AI sort of thinks. And then coming to terms with what that AI is using for creating your still image or your video. When you could be going, okay, create me this sort of image. I don't like it. I don't like it. And you try and try and try and try and try, when you could have just gone and taken the photo yourself. So that might be part of what's going on, is people are jumping on the bandwagon when AI started to look really promising, and then realizing that it's such a pain to get it to get exactly what you want. And they're going, yeah, let's go back to the old-fashioned way of doing it. So just my thoughts with my experience, and maybe it's others too. We'll go over some more 2025 video marketing stats. Be sure to like and subscribe. We'll talk to you later.